Start with the name of Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. Today my topic about the value of time. Time is the most important factor for the progress of human beings. Time is running continuously. Time was gone is gone forever. It never comes back. Time gives equal opportunity to all time. It doesn't say the poor or rich, young or old, healthy or sick, etc. It is equally important to all time and third words for normal. Time is very precious. We can buy everything with our money, but time can't be bought. Time is everything. Time can be divided into present, past, future. Past is past. It has already gone. But we should learn from the past. Experience present is important for us. If we utilize the present time properly, our future automatically becomes bright. So we shouldn't waste our present time. We shouldn't waste our time by doing unnecessary things like playing cards, gossiping about other people, gossiping about and watching movie, etc. We should utilize our time doing creative works like reading good books, helping our family members, looking hard, etc. We have to use our time wisely. Loss of time leads us to failure and grief. Some people are foolish. They are wasting their valuable time. Waste of time is a great lose. We shouldn't be idle. We always should be active. Time is more important for students. They should utilize properly. Those students who utilize their time wisely, they will be a great person in the future. They should make routine and spend their valuable time accordingly. Teacher should teach the students about the value of time. Our life is very short. We have to do a lot of things in a limited span of time. So we must utilize our time properly. Thank you very much. Listen my student topic.